Thinking about updating your entry door security? This Hornbill Smart Lock with the built-in Wi-Fi may be your solution. This is model M8. We're going to get this box open, see what we get, then we're going to get it set up and see how well it works. So stick around. I was just looking on the box. It says fingerprint, built-in Wi-Fi app control, and it's IP65 rating. Has auto lock on it as well. Also works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Comes with your user guide, 2 keys, and then our parts here, and the smart lock itself. I guess it'll make sense in a moment. Yep, that's what we get. Well, there's what we get. Now let's get it installed, see how easy it is to install. I have an interior door that I need to put a security lock on, and that's where I'm going to be putting it. This is actually made for an entry door, but we're going to try it on a interior door. Okay, so far so good, but the one thing is it takes 8 AA batteries. So you need to have a little stockpile of those.
Please input the initialization passcode.
Okay. Okay, we will get the passcode put in here. It does come with keys, like I showed you earlier, so you don't have to worry about something happening and you're not being able to get in there. And if the batteries do happen to go dead, it has a USB-C port under here. You can plug a USB cord in there into a battery pack, or if you've got an AC outlet real close, you can just plug it into that and get your power to get the door open. Now, as I mentioned, it does have an app. We're going to get the app installed and then go from there. We'll get the app installed here. Now, it says you can enter the passcode and all that through the app, so that's what I'm hoping for. We'll open, we'll agree. Okay, after you download the app and get it registered and get logged in, then you can add your device. Give it the permissions as it's needed. Found devices waiting to be added. There we go.
Please, adding administrator successful.
Click to start the check. Click to start the check. The door lock will enter automatically detection state. Start check.
Operation successful.
Then you can hook this up to your Wi-Fi, so you can do this remotely. Okay, with the app, you can do the fingerprint. Just click on there, add fingerprint. And then you just want to take your finger, put it up there, click on start adding.
Please press your finger on the sensor.
You want to do this in the position that you would be in. Because if you do it this way or upside down or whatever, it ain't going to work.
Please press again. 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 Input successful.
And that's all there is to that. You can also add a password. This will be the password that you can put the numbers in here. And it also will give you an alarm on your phone. I just felt it vibrate. Okay, to unlock it manually, all you got to do is hold the number sign down for like 2 seconds. Just go 1, 2,
Locked.
and it locks. But you do have to wake this up, just touch anything where the keypad will light up, and then you can put your code in, hit the number sign.
Unlocked.
Fingerprint, all you gotta do is just touch it,
Unlocked.
and that works. That's all there is to it. And it comes with some little keys here, like little digital keys. You'll be able to hold it up. You can use these. You can click card, add card. You can name this. Next step. And then you'll just start adding.
Please swipe your card. Input successful.
There you go. It's set.
Unlocked.
And it will give you notifications each time that is unlocked. You can go into your different settings here. Whatever you need to do. A lot of different things on here to do. But overall, easy to set up, especially with the app. I do like that. So, easy to put on. You saw how easy it was. Nothing to it, especially with the app. That app really helped a lot. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.